Killer Skoolie. Greetings, Skoolie Nation, and welcome to the Killer Skoolie channel, broadcasting from the Killer Skoolie Orbital Command Center, tracking in geosynchronous orbit at 30.006 degrees north latitude. I am Logan 12. On today's episode, see the humans install sheet metal on each side of the bus. Watch as they modify the side door. And enjoy viewing the sheet metal installation on the front and back of the bus. It's all very exciting, so let's get into it.
Okay, Skoolie Nation, as we talk about your important equipment, click that subscribe button right now so you never miss an episode. You're going to need a powerful drill to put pilot holes through tough metal. Check out the Human Toolbox link in the description section to see what the humans use. Get yourself plenty of cobalt drill bits. You're gonna need them. The humans use self-sealing, self-drilling screws in various sizes to secure the sheet metal to the bus. You'll also need your impact drill with various drivers, some strong adhesive, silicone, a Sharpie for marking on your metal, channel locks, pliers, screwdrivers, oh, and don't forget your hammer.
Thanks, Ed. That's Ed, the undocumented space fungus, everyone. Great job, Ed. The human male began by removing the series of screws that rest below the window frame and above the highest rub rail. This area needs to be flat, so the new sheet metal will fit tightly. An amount of 20 gauge sheet metal was purchased from a local supplier, cut to the human's exact specifications. Side panels were measured to fit snugly under the drip edge of the roof and extend down to the top edge of the highest rub rail. Each panel was at least 2 of the previous window frames wide, with room left for overlap. A strong adhesive was applied prior to each panel's installation, and surfaces were wiped clean. Both humans were required to set the panels in place, and after proper placement was assured, a self-sealing, self-tapping screw was inserted to hold the panel in place as target marks for the rest of the screws were applied with measure, straight edge, and Sharpie. After that, it was just a matter of hitting those targets again and again and again. Keep repeating this process, and eventually you'll enclose both sides of the bus. case, the humans decided to modify the emergency side door. The upper half of the door was removed with the Sawzall. The lower half was reinstalled and metal fabricated to cover its top edge. A small cutout was made at the bottom edge of the sheet metal panel intended to hang above the door to accommodate its opening. The humans used 2 custom-cut pieces of sheet metal to cover the front area and 2 pieces to cover the back. Strategic bends were acquired using the method from a previous video, and each corner was hoisted up, its top edge sandwiched between the new framing from our metal fabrication video and the roof of the bus. The rear emergency exit hatch door gets set in place, and don't forget the drip edge before the appropriate screws are inserted. You'll need to plan ahead and put some pilot holes in your new framing that match up with the old rivet holes, on the bottom from the inside, at the top from the outside. After that, just drive them doggies. Be prepared to break, wear out, wear down, or just plain melt a couple of pocketfuls of drill bits and a full box of screws. It's still metal fabrication, so don't be afraid to use your hammer, grinder, or whatever else you can find to make things work. Never, ever give up. Once all that hard work is done, you'll be glad you did it. next time, Ed.
Hey, Skoolie Nation! Smash that like button right now! On the next episode, the humans prepare the bus for the exterior paint. Subscribe to the Killer Skoolie channel by clicking the subscribe button now to see the next update. Leave your comments in the comments section below so we know our broadcast is reaching the surface of the earth. And don't forget to activate notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss our transmission. You can also visit the links in the description below to officially join the Skoolie Nation. Or check out the Human Toolbox. Get a cool sci-fi book or a t-shirt with the big guy's face on it. Sorta.
That's right, Skoolie Nation. And don't forget to visit killerskoolie.com for more information. That's killerskoolie.com. Hey, Ed. Have you heard about the drill bit?
Heard what, my man?
Never mind. It's too long. I wouldn't want to bore you. Get it? Bore you?